Hola, mis estudiantes. I just want to go over a few things for week 9 to get everybody on the same page. So make sure each week when you start your work that you read through the Rosetta Stone assignment. This is the Rosetta Stone assignment for week 9. Um, at this point, you should be in level 3 working on unit 1. Okay, so because you're in year 3, and this is the first year we've had Rosetta Stone in our school, we have to start out by doing a lot of review to make sure everybody's on the same page before we move on, that everybody has the same foundation. So I've had you doing the core lessons only in levels 1 and level 2, and actually all the way through level 3, you will do the core lessons only. It's not until you get to level 4 that I'm going to ask that you slow down and do every single one of the lessons. Okay? That does not mean that you can't do those other lessons in between, but you should stay where you're getting those core lessons done on track. Notice that on this report here, this student has, this is level 3. This is level 3 here. So this student has already done levels 1 and levels 2 and done all the requirements for it. Now they're in level 3. This is core lesson 1, 100%. Core lesson 2, 100%. Core lesson 3, 100%. Notice that core lesson 4 is not yet done yet, but neither is the week. And so this person is right on track, exactly where they need to be to finish up. If you get less than 100%, and you can go back and fix just the pieces that you missed. And that's a great way to just do your review and really understand your work. If you have more time to improve your Spanish, you can do some of these other ones in between. You can also do some of the games. I also see on these reports how much time you've spent in here. Now, this is only in level 3 here. So this student has spent a little over an hour to do these 3 core lessons in level 3. The student also did work in levels 1 and levels 2, and together those added up to about 14 hours. So this would be like 15 hours. So we're in week 9. That's 15 hours of work. That's a little bit less than 2 hours a week, which is what you should be doing in Rosetta Stone. You should plan to do about 2 hours a week in Rosetta Stone. And then outside of Rosetta Stone, you have a few other activities and quizzes and journals and things like that to do. Okay? So let's see. Make sure that all your lessons are at least 85% in the core lessons. Um, Make sure you look through your workbook pages and the answer key. Notice anything that you're not getting correct and not understanding, make sure you go back and review it and then go in and report the scores. Um, this kind of report, just want to make sure everybody knows how to do that. When you open up Rosetta Stone, usually you go to Launch Rosetta Stone. But if you choose My Reports, then it will open up something like this for you. And you can see your overall score. This progress is showing low here because I'm not requiring you to do these things yet. When we get into level 4 and I require you to do all of these things, then this progress is going to be really important. It also shows how much time was spent in training and if the student did any games or not. Now, the games may be fun games, but they're also learning activities. I have not required you to do them yet, but please feel free to go ahead and try them out and maybe we can make some recommendations to each other, okay? So I hope you have a great week, and if you have any questions, you send me an email. I'm just an email away.